Biogen Idec Foundation is focused on really two things. First is supporting strong communities in the communities where we all live and work. And the second is a particular focus on STEM education.
When students come into the community lab, they really have the opportunity to do something that's hands-on. And I think that process makes the concepts that are learning in school more tangible. And also we provide sort of authentic real-world connections, so they see why they're learning this and they can see how this information can then be used.
East End House is a 140-year-old community center. We serve the entire community of Cambridge and surrounding communities. Many years back, we developed STEM education programs for all our age groups, and Biogen Idec and Biogen Idec Foundation have been instrumental in helping us to launch those programs. The programs are very hands-on and interactive, and our idea is really to get young people excited about science. Biogen Idec and Biogen Idec Foundation have been extraordinary partners to East End House. They have been helpful in so many different ways. They have helped us with addressing essential human needs in the community, but also in co-creating and launching new programs in informal science for young people.
The Biomedical Science Careers Program was started over 20 years ago, recognizing the need for diversity within the STEM fields, within the biomedical sciences and health sciences. And it's a collaborative effort that involves academia and industry coming together to recognize youth with potential, to help nurture that potential, and to help make connections for youth to opportunities. Leaders from Biogen and Biogen Idec have played a pivotal role in the direction of BSCP.
We're very excited about our new partnership with the Museum of Science, in particular working with the Cabot Lab and the educators there. We've had a chance so far to share with each other the work that we're doing, and in that process we've definitely highlighted some areas where we can definitely collaborate together and hopefully some synergies that can come together and we can help each other out.
The hands-on lab program takes place in the Cabot Lab, which is in the basement of the Red Wing. The museum emphasizes science, technology, engineering, and math in pretty much everything that we do. Inside of the lab, we're trying to give the students a chance to behave like scientists and use the tools that a real scientist would use. The wonderful thing about informal science learning is that the questions come from the individual. The real learning happens when they can explore their own questions in their own way.
I think one of the most really inventive things about the Hall of Human Life, it's not just about giving answers, it's about encouraging people to explore. And at the very center of it is the Biogen Idec Foundation Exploration Hub. This is an area where staff and volunteers coming to really connect with people, to connect with the visitors, to help really encourage them along that discovery process, to find that aha moment. People are engaged. We have really closing the gap between what research is doing and what the public understands. It's in bringing all of these little pieces together that companies like Biogen Idec and supporting both the formal and informal education, especially through science, technology, engineering, and math, really takes learning to a whole new level.
We think that the Museum of Science and the Biogen Idec Foundation share the same basic philosophy, which is to excite people and energize them about science. You have to excite their curiosity and you have to make it informal and hands-on and frankly fun. That's one of the reasons we're so excited to support the Hall of Human Life. It's a remarkable exhibition, and it does exactly that. It engages young people in a hands-on way, it shows them how the world works, and it makes it fun and interactive, and we think will help inspire them to want to have a love of science and potentially pursue a career there. We think that's terrific.